Okay, so let's go over how to restart your HP Windows 11 computer.
If you find this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to take that mouse and you're going to move over down to those 4 squares down here in the corner. And where it says start, see how it says start, you're going to go ahead and click on that button. This menu will open up and then you're going to navigate over to that power symbol. And then you hit that and you can hit restart. From here, restart will turn your computer off and then on again. If you want to turn off completely, then that would be your shutdown option. Keep in mind, once you select restart, your computer will immediately start to restart and you will lose any unsaved data or places in your applications that are left open. But anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.